Tyrese Maxey just lit up the court with a staggering 50 points against the Pacers, adding 7 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 blocks to his incredible performance. The 76ers clinched the game with a 137-126 victory, marking an impressive 8-1 record since parting ways with James Harden. Is this team reaching new heights without Harden? Was Harden the missing piece, or was he holding them back? Join the debate as we dive into this sensational performance and its impact on the team's dynamics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explosive NBA analysis.